With all the new medical advances sweeping eastern North Carolina, it's only natural that the Brody School of Medicine would be the next to receive the new CyberKnife. The Leo Jenkins Cancer Center is the fourth medical facility to receive the CyberKnife in the state of North Carolina. Dr. Ron Allison, ECU radiation oncologist, explains how this miraculous tool works.
The CyberKnife is a robotic treatment device for cancer. It uses X-rays, radiation, to destroy cancer. And the way the CyberKnife is designed, it's a radiosurgery tool. In other words, it gives the equivalent of surgery without cutting.
Allison states what a great investment this is for the Brody School of Medicine and the cost incentive for the CyberKnife over conventional chemotherapy.
The CyberKnife itself is a very expensive tool. What you see behind me and this vault is over $5 million of an investment. But the actual treatment is less expensive than comparable radiation treatments. So to the patient and to insurance companies, the CyberKnife is a less expensive tool to treat cancer.
Dr. Ron Allison explains the benefits patients can expect using the CyberKnife.
It's a radiosurgery tool, so it gives very, very precise treatment to very small areas. So you can give gigantic amounts of radiation dose to destroy tumors in just a few visits, as opposed to conventional radiation, which gives little doses over many weeks.
Allison says the state of North Carolina realizes how important cancer care is to the patients of eastern North Carolina, and the Jenkins Cancer Center was fortunate to get such a new wave of technology. Meredith Peel, Greenville Spotlight.